In this little area, there's tons of medicinal and edible plants, and they're worth knowing and identifying. Here, down here, we have plantain. We also have dandelion. Over here, though it's a bit aged, we have something called dock. Over here, we have wild mustard. Over here, we have wild rose, rich in vitamin C. And let me see. Over here, there are some other plants. Something called chickweed down in here. They're everywhere. Everywhere we look here, there's medicinal plants, edible plants. That this Force Magna.